Hi everyone, I'm Kirti. If somebody could confirm, I can see people joining us. If somebody could confirm that they are able to hear me, I am audible. Great, awesome. That's the hi Minati. Hi, good. So here we are going live. Hi Prabha. Hi Vishali. Hi Sonam. Hi, hi Shelly. Thank you, thank you. Hey Shubhra. Hi. Hi Gitika. Good to see so many ladies joining us. Wow, it's a good feeling. This is the first time I'm going live and very excited about it. Hi Rinki, Shubhranshu. Hi, hi Naveen. Hi Deepti. Hey Sudhir. Hi. Okay, let's get started. I am very excited to introduce myself. This is Kirti here. I am logging in from Bangalore. A sunny morning here in Bangalore. Surprisingly, we are not used to this kind of Bangalore, weather here. Hope it is going good at your end. All of you are excited about life. Everything is going fine. You're all safe and healthy. So about myself, as I said, I'm Kirti. I was born and brought up in Calcutta, and I came to Bangalore to do my master's in mass communications in 2006. And yeah, I've been in Bangalore for about 15-16 years now. I did my master's in mass communications. Then I started working with a media company, and I worked there for about 12 years. And yes, I worked, but at the same time, in the last couple of years, I hustled. I hustled because there was a certain set of high value skills that I learned, which enabled me to do something of my own, something in the domain of health and wellness, which, over a period of time grew so much that I could come back home full time, yet be very productive and very happy about it because as a mother to a 7-year-old, a very active 7-year-old, I'm very happy that I'm able to give her time now. Oh, of course, I was, giving her time earlier as well, which mother doesn't do that. But there's a certain joy when, you are your own boss when it comes to the time that you can give, right? So, how did that happen? What happened, of course, is something that can be discussed later. But what it has given me, learning these high value skills in the domain of internet has given me the flexibility to be very productive. Okay, and I am so thrilled about the fact that I'm here today to announce that we are launching a series of talks aptly named Heart to Heart Talks, where we will be bringing a few of us entrepreneurs, ladypreneurs, mompreneurs, homepreneurs, call it whatever you may. As I said earlier, we will be coming and sharing our hearts out about topics which are very close to us, something that ensured that changed our lives. Okay, so it could be topic about time management, it could be something related to which book changed your life, or it could be how to improve your own persona, how you can improve your own personality. And why not we at Reskill Nation, we believe that women can help other women grow. We as women, we are superpower, really. If you think about it, we starts with us being daughters, right? We are a daughter, wife, mother, and in the process we also become a chauffeur, we become a chef, we become cleaners, yet we are determined enough to excel in our own chosen field of work, right? I mean, if you really look at it, right from our childhood, we would refer to our history books, and it is women who have inspired us, right? Be it Rani Lakshmi Bai, be it Sarojini Naidu, be it in today's generation the Indra Nooyi and the Kiran Mazumdar Shaws of the world, right? But at the same time, I'm sure each one of us remember that teacher, who inspired us so much, that teacher who actually came from that small village. So as I said, I'm from Calcutta, Calcutta being the capital of West Bengal. My teacher was coming from a very small place near Calcutta, and she used to tell us the story of how she has struggled, but she ensured that her dreams are intact, and there she was impressing all of us young minds and hearts very, very positively. Now, most of us are able to do it till a certain point, but somewhere, a lot of things take over. It is the responsibilities as you become a mother to take care of a small child. Sometimes it is the responsibility of taking care of your aging in-laws who are staying with you, that you have to keep your dreams on a back burner. In fact, let me tell you this, sometimes it is not just keeping it on a back burner, but you would continue to work. Let's say, when it comes to a job, you continue to be in your jobs. Very simple reason. Why? Because there are mouths to feed, right? There is food to be put on the table. There are perhaps EMIs to be paid off. And if your salary, your monthly package goes off the table, it can put a lot of pressure on your spouse, right? So despite the fact that, we would want to have more flexibility in terms of staying at home when we want to, and maybe just stepping out for that cup of coffee, we are unable to do it because the commitments take priority, right? Now, although the commitments are taking priority, but at the same time, how would it be that we as women can support each other to empower us to become something absolutely amazing, which is also sustainable. I'm somebody who loves to watch sports, and I keep seeing snippets. So just last night I was watching the Williams sisters, Serena and Venus Williams, and I was just wondering, imagine two sisters, very, very similar to each other, yet so different. The reason they have been able to achieve so much together was because they supported each other, right? And they were not each other's competitors. They supported each other through thick and thin, I'm sure. There was a time when Venus Williams was absolutely on the rise, and Serena Williams, being the younger one, perhaps, not that much. But you would never in any of the matches see, any sort of jealousy competition between them. In fact, Google it and you would see photos of Serena Williams raising the French Open shield and Venus Williams looking on with pride. Okay, was it just like a miracle or a magic that Serena Williams, after delivering a baby, a small child at home, could come back and win more Grand Slams? It happened because there was a support system, and I'm sure the sister was a big support. That is exactly, this is just like I don't know, this is just like, just the way it takes a village to raise a child, the same way it takes a lot of women to empower other women, right? And I am so excited and thrilled to say that we at Reskill Nation have designed a wonderful, very, very well designed program, which is, we'll be doing a series of 6 sessions which will empower you all when it comes to high value skills. High value skills in terms of, skills which are actually relevant to today's times, relevant to us as women, empower us to take our dreams forward. Okay, and these are very, very well thought out sessions which can change your life. The best part is we are keeping these sessions absolutely free of cost, because as I said, our focus is on helping a lot of women empowerment. And there is no price really that you can pay to the joy that you get when others are empowered along with you as well, right? So that is what we are looking for. I hope and pray that we can start to look beyond just taking care of our kids, and we can continue to focus on our dreams, on our goals. As when we were in college, that is exactly what we had, right? We wanted to do so much, we wanted to conquer the world. As a child, I wanted to be a pilot officer. I was nowhere near that, but yet I'm so happy that today I am in a position where I can be at home, yet at the same time empower so many people around around the country and the world, where they are coming back home, yet continue to contribute financially to the entire household. And I think there is no other joy for a woman to be what she really is, a multitasker. I'm happy being at home, but yet I want to be productive as well, right? Why not? So that is what it is. Women who are known for dedication, determination, multitasking, hardworking, sincerity, we will bring it all together. We'll bring it all together and get going as far as the dreams is concerned. Again, be absolutely powerful with these wonderful sessions. So we, as I said, we're going live today we've gone live today at 11. The other day that we'll be going live will be Wednesdays in the evening at about 4:30. So keep tuning in on Saturday mornings 11 o'clock and Wednesday at 4:30 in the evening, and change your lives. We look forward to having many more of you with us. And with this, I will end with this quote that there are a lot of dreams that people dream. The craziest of their dreams is the one that can spark a million more. Okay. Also, a dream is only crazy till the time it is done. So hope to see you all soon. And here's Kirti signing off. See you all. Take care. Bye.